Introducing a device that's changing the way portable TVs are designed. The LG StandbyME Go 27-inch Full HD HDR Smart TV. Unlike traditional TVs, this one is designed to move with you. It's compact, lightweight, and built for flexibility, giving users the freedom to place it anywhere they want, from bedrooms to kitchens, or even outdoors. The design is sleek and minimalistic. Its briefcase-style body allows easy portability, while the adjustable stand ensures you can view the screen from multiple angles. Whether you want it at eye level in your living room, slightly tilted in the kitchen, or rolled into a bedroom, the StandbyME Go adapts to any setup. The display delivers a sharp Full HD resolution with HDR support, making visuals pop with vibrant colors and enhanced contrast. Streaming movies, TV shows, or even gaming content looks richer and more detailed than typical portable screens, giving a surprisingly immersive experience for a 27-inch device. Portability is further enhanced by its built-in battery. Unlike conventional TVs that need to stay plugged in, this one can operate wirelessly for several hours. It opens possibilities for flexible placement, outdoor usage, or simply moving it between rooms without hassle. Audio performance is impressive for a TV of this size. The built-in speakers provide clear, balanced sound suitable for everyday viewing. For users who want more, the TV supports Bluetooth, allowing connections to external speakers or headphones for richer audio experiences. Smart features are integrated seamlessly. Preloaded apps and streaming services make entertainment easy to access, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows online browsing or app downloads. The screen also supports device mirroring, making it a practical tool for presentations or connecting a smartphone or laptop for bigger screen usage. Despite being portable, there's no compromise on visual quality. HDR ensures colors remain vibrant and natural, while Full HD resolution keeps details sharp and crisp. It's ideal for multi-room setups, flexible living spaces, or anyone seeking entertainment without limitations. The versatility of the LG StandbyME Go makes it unique. Whether following a recipe in the kitchen, streaming shows in the bedroom, or enjoying media outdoors, it delivers convenience without sacrificing quality. It's a device designed for modern lifestyles, blending portability, smart functionality, and superior display quality. Overall, the StandbyME Go combines mobility, picture clarity, and smart capabilities into a single compact unit. It's perfect for people who want the freedom to enjoy entertainment anywhere, anytime. To get your own portable LG StandbyME Go 27-inch TV and experience next-level convenience, check the link in the description below.